How to bypass phone number verification on Discord. The first things first, if you wanted this method to work, make sure that you have not set up any phone number associated with your Discord account. Now we are going to use a temporary number just to pull up your or any preferred web browser that you want to use, and in your search box, let's type in uh, temp number. And from here, you can choose any of these links that you can go ahead and try to use a certain temporary number, and we'll be receiving a code as well. Now on this link, just scroll down and choose any country you want. Let's say, let's try, France. Now from here, there's going to be multiple phone numbers that you can use temporarily. Now let's try on the first one, ends in 182. And let's also check if the specific country is going to be eligible for Discord. So copy this number and go to your Discord app. Then here, go to your settings beside the headset logo. And then here, just disable the streamer mode first. Okay, go to my account. And then below your account, there's going to be phone number here. So as you can see, I haven't added or associate any phone number with my account. Now click on add. Then paste the phone number that we just copied and checked for the area code, just France here. Now click on send. Go back to the website. Now since the code is not available, or the phone number is not available, just have to keep on trying on a different numbers. So if you use this temporary number, as you can see, you can receive a verification messages from the temporary numbers of you're using. So that's how you bypass phone number verification on Discord.